Hello and welcome to Inspired to Inspire. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and join the family. Willis Raburu and wife Marya Prude have allegedly broken up. Word has it that they have been living separately for almost a month now. It's alleged that the separation was caused by infidelity and Raburu is already living with another woman in Kileleshwa. The separation came just months after the couple lost their firstborn daughter, which made Raburu take leave to mourn her. Later on, they came out and they declared that they had gotten over it and actually did some tattoos on their forearms in memory of their daughter Adana. However, in March, things seemed not to go very well when Marya deleted all her posts on her Instagram account, leading to speculation that all was not well in their relationship. A search on Instagram shows that she has since deleted her account. A source close to them indicated that the couple vacated their house at Phenom Estate in Langata, and they now live separate ways, with Raburu living in Kileleshwa and the wife living in Thidigwa along Kiabu Road. There you have it. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and please like, share and subscribe, and see you in my next video.